In a quaint little bakery nestled at the heart of town, the aroma of fresh bread and warm pastries filled the air, drawing in customers like a magnet. The bakery was known not only for its delicious muffins but also for its heartwarming atmosphere. Everyone who visited left with a smile. Outside the bakery, a fluffy, caramel-colored cat sat by the window. Her name was Muffin, and she had a special fondness for the bakery's namesake treat. Muffin loved to prance around, purr, and stretch lazily in the sunlight, capturing the attention of everyone who passed by. She had a knack for making people laugh with her playful antics, and customers often stopped to admire her. One regular customer, a young boy with a love for animals, noticed Muffin more than anyone else. Each time he visited the bakery, he would stop outside to play with her, scratch behind her ears, and watch as she purred contentedly. One day, after buying his usual treat, he decided to share a muffin with the little cat. Muffin sniffed it curiously, then gratefully purred and nibbled on the soft pastry. From that day on, a special bond grew between them. The boy began visiting the bakery even more often, always bringing a muffin for Muffin. They became inseparable, and after some time, the boy decided to adopt her. Muffin was overjoyed. She finally had a forever friend. Together, they spent their days playing, exploring, and of course, baking muffins. The boy would knead the dough, and Muffin would watch from her favorite spot occasionally, batting at a stray piece of flour or dough. After a long day of baking, they would share a warm muffin, enjoying the simple pleasures of life together. And every time they did, the bakery felt just a little bit warmer, thanks to the happiness Muffin and her friend brought to each other. A cozy, muffin-filled life, full of warmth and love, was all they ever needed.